In front of me is Oppo Find X3 Lite, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So at first let's open your phone dialer, then go to contacts, and for example if you would like to block monkey, just mark the contact, tap on more and click on block numbers and confirm it by tapping on block. As you can see from now on, this number will not be able to reach you. Obviously you can unblock it the same way, just tap on more and click on unblock. But also you can reach block settings like the general one. Just tap on more icon, go to settings then and click on block numbers. And here you can block all unknown colors or add a phone number manually. Then tap on block and that's it. Obviously to remove it, just click on the cross icon. And that will be all, this is it. And that's how call blocking works in Oppo Find X3 Lite. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.